The Suzuki GSX1000R is a leader sport bike that mixes crude power, trend-setting innovation, and track-centered plan to convey a thrilling riding experience. With its forceful styling and amazing execution capacities, the GSX1000R requests to cruiser devotees who look for adrenaline-siphoning undertakings on both the street and the track. In this thorough audit, we will dive into the key elements: execution, dealing with, solace, and in general impression of the Suzuki GSX1000R. Plan and appearance. The Suzuki GSX1000R flaunts a striking and streamlined plan that obviously mirrors its dashing family. The sharp lines, etched fairings, and double-drove headlights ooze a feeling of hostility and reason. The smaller tail area with its incorporated driven tail lights adds to the bicycle's energetic allure. The scrupulousness is obvious, with quality gets done and smooth bodywork that give the GSX1000R an unquestionable presence. Execution and power. Under the eye getting outside, the GSX1000R houses an imposing 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 motor that conveys exciting execution. Producing a great result of drive and force, the bicycle impels itself forward with lightning-quick speed increase. The motor's power conveyance is smooth and straight, offering a prompt flood of adrenaline when the choke is released. Whether you're exploring twisty mountain streets or going after the straightaways on the course, the GSX1000R's motor presentation makes certain to leave you with a long-lasting grin all over. Mechanical developments. Suzuki has furnished the GSX1000R with a scope of state-of-the-art innovations that upgrade both execution and well-being. The bicycle includes a high-level electronic control framework that incorporates a speedy shifter for consistent stuff changes, numerous rider modes for custom-made execution qualities, and a thorough setup of foothold control and ABS frameworks that motivate certainty during forceful riding. Moreover, the GSX1000R consolidates an exceptionally responsive ride-by-wire choke framework, permitting riders to encounter exact control and choke reaction. Taking care of and elements. The GSX1000R's taking care of capacities are absolutely uncommon. The bicycle uses a lightweight aluminum twin-pipe outline that offers fantastic unbending nature, bringing about sharp and exact dealing with qualities. The suspension arrangement, including customizable front forks and a back monoshock, gives an ideal harmony among solace and game-situated execution. Whether you're inclining toward corners or cutting through close curves, the GSX1000R motivates certainty, permitting riders to investigate as far as possible effortlessly. Solace and ergonomics. Suzuki has accomplished an estimable harmony between energetic execution and rider solace in the GSX1000R. The riding position strikes a center ground among forceful and loose, guaranteeing that riders can appreciate energetic rides without unnecessary burden on their wrists and lower back. The seat is very much cushioned and offers adequate help, considering expanded periods in the seat without uneasiness. Furthermore, wind security is sufficient, lessening weariness during high-velocity riding. Generally speaking, impression. The Suzuki GSX1000R is a superbike that effectively joins power, innovation, and exciting execution in one bundle. From its head-going plan to its elating motor presentation and high-level electronic guides, the GSX1000R takes special care of the longings of bike aficionados who desire the adrenaline surge of rapid riding. With its exact taking care of and rider-accommodating ergonomics, the GSX1000R succeeds in both energetic rides and ordinary drives. In the event that you're looking for a sport bike that easily balances execution, style, and reasonableness, the Suzuki GSX1000R is a superb decision.